There are few things in life that, had you only known them before, could have saved you a whole bunch of effort and time. Same goes with the kitchen. Hi, this is Ambika Shetty. I have summed up 10 best kitchen tips for you, and I am sure these hacks will make your cooking much easier and better. Let's see the easiest way to remove the sticker or labels from the newly bought steel vessels without making any scratch on it. Just place the vessel for about 30 seconds on the flame, on maybe high flame or medium flame, and remove the stickers immediately while it is still hot using a spoon or a knife. And you will see that stickers would come off easily without any scratches on the vessel. And now let's see how to make instant and soft rotis using milk, warm milk. We all know that in order to make the rotis or puris soft, it is important that we rest the dough for at least 30 minutes. But when we don't have enough time or patience to rest the dough even for 5 minutes, we can use this trick. Just use warm milk for kneading the dough, and the dough is ready to be rolled instantly. You don't have to rest it for even 5 minutes and the rotis would still be soft. The best way to get rid of stickiness in bhindi is to saute the chopped bhindi in oil for at least 3 minutes before you actually use it in any curry or sabzi. But what if you want to totally avoid oil in your bhindi sabzi? Then just leave the pan open without closing it with any lid throughout the cooking. Just boil water, add salt, and then add roughly chopped bhindi. Boil it on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then follow the rest of the procedures like adding any masala or spices, just like you do for any normal sabzis. And you will see that the bhindis will be perfectly non-sticky in your sabzi. Sometimes, say for some gravy or curries, we prefer to peel the skin off from raw tomatoes before grinding them. Just hold the tomato directly on flame with the help of a fork, and you will see that the skin breaks easily, thereby making it easy to peel. Best way to make any curry rich in color is to grind about 1 tablespoon of chopped beetroot along with tomato and then adding this paste in the curry. If you remember, this trick of using beetroot in curry was used in our pav bhaji masala recipe. So there is our natural food color. Adding dahi or curd in some curries can add depth to the flavor as well as to the taste. But sometimes they just get split or get curdled when you add them to the boiling gravy. To avoid that, you need to first whisk the curd well and then add about half tablespoon of wheat flour or atta into the curd, whisk it again and then use it in the gravy. And always after adding this whisked curd to the curry, make sure you keep the flame low and boil it on low flame, and you will see a perfect creamy textured gravy. Sometimes even the expert cooks can go wrong while cooking and add more salt to the curry, and before they could even realize, they would have stirred the gravy so well. In such cases, just drop a small ball of roti dough or chapati dough and let it absorb all the extra salt content and remove it off. Or alternately, you can add a roughly chopped raw potato. It will also absorb the extra salt content, and later on you can remove it from the curry. If you have been using mixer grinder for quite some time, then blades of grinder would have become blunt due to long time usage. In such cases, just add some salt or maybe rock salt to the jar and run it on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes. The blades would become sharp again. Often when we make some desserts or sandwiches using bread, we remove the bread crust or the edges. One way to make use of these crust or bread edges is to dry roast them on low flame for about 5 minutes and then adding them into a grinding jar or mixie jar and grind them into a slightly coarse powder. And you can use these breadcrumbs for making cutlets, nuggets or any other snacks that you wish instead of using shop bought breadcrumbs. I hope you have liked these simple kitchen tips and tricks, and I'll be back again with yet another interesting episode. Until then, take care. Thank you.